Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and thank y'all for stopping by for this week's episode of the Booze News. The news that you can use. Today we have a very simple drink for you, but a very effective drink. A drink I call the Cure. Please remember to always drink responsibly, and if you can't drink responsibly, please drink with responsible people, and as always, enjoy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our ingredients set out here, ready to go. We're going to take our Grey Goose vodka, and we're going to pour about 2 ounces in the bottom of our glass here. We're going to take our cranberry dark cherry juice, and we're going to fill our glass up about 2/3 of the way. Now we're going to give this a good shake. Make sure everything's mixed together good. Now for the ever important taste test. You know, I had to admit I kind of just threw this drink together, but it actually worked out pretty good. May even look into adding some flavors to it. Kind of enjoyed it, but hey, don't take my word for it. Here is this week's celebrity judge to tell you what they think. And I do believe Granny approves.